Yes, yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Is my screen visible, sir?
Yes.
Okay,
Will
thank you,
you
sir.
start and compile in 5 to 6 minutes, Dr. Vipin?
Uh, Good afternoon to one and all. I am Nikhil Suresh Mure from Uttar Pradesh's Kamal Bajaj Institute of Engineering and Technology College, Baramati. I recently completed my BE from Mechanical Engineering. I'm here to give presentation on the topic a comparison of mechanical properties of 3D printed specimens based on filament quality. I also like to mention my co-guides, which is Mr. Omkar Bankar and Saurabh Prabhune, along with our guide, Dr. Vipin Gawande. This is nothing but the outline of my today's presentation. We'll see introduction, then we'll have expected outcomes, design specification, experimentation, results, conclusion, and references. So I'll start with the introduction. Now, we all know that additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, has been a huge buzz in today's market. And we know a lot of industries are going crazy towards the 3D printing. Why? Because of its applicational uses and the kind of quality it provides to their products. So this 3D printing is, we all know, has a greater importance. But this additive manufacturing is also used just because it has a good creation of lighter, more complex designs that are too difficult or too expensive to build. And of course, it is predictable production in part design. Now, there are a lot of filaments that are used, and what are different types of filaments that are used for 3D printing. We have considered here as PLA as our filament. The reason we are using this is recycled filament is because it has some of these applications which are similar to the virgin filament. How and why we are going to see in the next slide. Now, why there is a reason that we are using recycled filament? Now, we all know that PLA is produced from cornstarch and sugarcane, and its advantage is that it is biodegradable. So, we know that biodegradable substances are something that we can reuse or recycle. So, this is nothing but an great advantage for us to use this material from the scrap to a good material so that it can fulfill our needs. There are various scrap management techniques that are used for PLA, such as combustion, recycling, composting, etc. Uh, Now we'll see the expected outcomes. The literature review that we did for the mechanical properties also plays a vital role because the product we are going to manufacture is also tested on its mechanical properties such as its tensile strength, hardness, shear strength, and and lot of others. So it is very important for us to calculate these properties to check that our specimen or our product is of good quality or not. This is nothing but the design specifications. Here in the figure 3, you can see that the specimen from the virgin filament was manufactured into this Clover. Clover is nothing but the 3D printer, which is an in-house building 3D printer, which is manufactured by our guide. And in this 3D printer, we printed the specimen and then we did the testing of the specimen. Uh, the dimensions of the specimen were taken from the American Society of Testing Material ASTM standards. This is nothing but the experimentation that we carried out. The upper figure shows the experimental setup of the testing which was done in our college. The universal testing machine of was used with the crossed speed of 5 per minute, and the load and the percentage elongation were recorded until the specimen failures. The last figure that is shown is nothing but the failure have happened and the experimentation was carried out. As you can see in the figure that the failure has been done and the two parts have been broken such that we can do further calculations on that. So here is nothing but the ultimate tensile strength, percentage elongation, tensile failure stress were calculated. Here we come to the results. Uh, now as you can see, we used 3 specimens for this calculation. The first chart shows the specimen and its characteristics of virgin specimen and recycled specimen. The yield strength, ultimate tensile strength, percentage elongation have been carried out. And here is the graph that shows it. Now, as you can see, the graph shows the yield point, and from the yield point, it goes upwards, and then it is constant. Now, why? We can see there is no neck formation. The reason is we are not using here as metal. We are using a polymer. So the graph is still, and we can see from this comparison that there is slighter change in the recycled filament properties than the virgin filament. It is not higher. It is comparatively to 2 to 3 MPa. So it is very useful for us that if we use recycled filaments for the specific advantages of for specific applications, then it can be of greater use, and it can certainly provide a good mechanical properties. This is nothing but the conclusion. The conclusions itself says that virgin filament and recycled filament both are good in the mechanical properties, but if we specifically consider recycled filament, then it varies between 32.9 to 92 MPa to 28.86 MPa, which is not a huge change. There is just a change of 3 to 4 MPa, which is acceptable. And yeah, so this was nothing about the conclusion, and these are nothing but the references that we have used for our research work. Thank you.
Okay, Nikhil, thank you. As you have mentioned in your title, a comparison of mechanical properties of 3D printed specimen.
Yes.
So, how many specimens you have prepared for this purpose?
Sir, we actually prepared 3 specimens, and all the 3 specimens were used for the testing, and then comparatively we had the analysis of it, and then we calculated the results.
Okay. So, only in this case, as you have worked, you are focusing only on the filament quality of this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Some other parameters we can also focus at the same time on this specimen.
Yes, sir. We can focus on other parameters, such as it can be of the greater printability, or you can say the lower printing temperature. Printing temperature is also an important part that we should consider in the filament, but that we have not considered here.
Then comparative assessment can also be performed.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.